Hi, I'm All Legends Go Thomas, and I'm okay, and I'm the CGI Thomas. Why are we talking this low? Darius wants us to be low volume because his grandma's gonna be on the phone.
Protect your family with life insurance?
So
Visit
don't be loud.
simple.havenlife.com to buy simplified issue term life insurance without a medical exam.
Really?
That's right, 100% no medical exam. At Haven Life, you can apply for life insurance in a way that's
Be
easy,
quiet.
convenient, and actually affordable.
Oh, okay.
A $250,000
So our
Haven
guests
simple
are.
policy starts at just $14 a month.
I said be
Seriously,
quiet.
ready for peace
Be
of
low
mind?
volume.
Go to simple.havenlife.com and apply today.
Okay, so our guest is the two Cargo brothers. Troublesome truck. Hurrah! Hurrah! No, they're our guests. Oh.
By example, he's leading by saying what to do.
Can you just take that one wheel girl off the guy?
I don't like it.
Everybody forget it? 1, 2.
Sorry. I must have been such an idiot. You were. So tell us more about yourself. A little bit about yourself. Yourselves. We were saved from scraps from the St. from hat. And we are used for food and other stuff. Yeah. What happened to the floor? There are some dumb steam engines. Definitely. Indefinitely.